Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to download all tabs in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First thing you will have to do in order to download all tabs is to create a new tab and go to Google Drive. So type Google Drive and press enter. Click on the link that says drive.google.com. Now find your document in the Google Drive. So in my case it is this tutorial document. If you cannot find it here, just go to the document, search and click on this name, select it, press Command C to copy it, go to the drive and press Command V and you should find it right here. So once you found it, click on this more action dots and then press download. Now choose where you want to download it, choose a name and press save. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.